Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with an algebraic expression question, specifically involving an exponent variable. Right, so with that in mind, let's move into the question. Solve for x of 5x, 5 to the x equals 1 over 25. Now remember, when it comes to something like this, we need to try and make both sides look like each other. Okay, so we need to try and get a base on both sides that are equal to each other. So let's see how we can do that. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to convert that 125 into 5 cubed. Okay, why can I do that? Because 5 cubed is equal to 5 times 5, which is 25, times 5 gives us 125. Now, you notice we still don't have the same thing on either side. So I'm going to do one more thing to help me out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this 5 above the divide line. And when I do that, this exponent needs to become negative. So I'm going to be left with 5 to the minus 3. Now what do we notice? We notice that we've got the same base on both sides, which means the x must equal the exponent, which is equal to minus 3. And that gets you a full 2 marks. Well done. Really good job. Massive thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Remember to read all about them in the description below. Also, remember to head over to our website to find more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.